Yo, welcome to my channel number Ninja. Let's learn colors. Different types of colors. Pink is the symbol of health and happiness. Frog is pink, rose is pink. Sky blue is the symbol of calm and cool. Sky is blue, t-shirt is blue. Blue is the symbol of love and trust. Sea is blue, diamond is blue. Orange is the symbol of confidence and success. Orange is orange, marigold is orange. Brown is the symbol of reliability and simplicity. Cake is brown, chocolate is brown. Red is the symbol of energy and strength. Apple is red, rose is red. Green is the symbol of growth and money. Leaf is green, grapes is green. Black is the symbol of protection and classy. Owl is black, crow is black. Purple is the symbol of magic and mystery. Brinjal is purple, umbrella is purple. Yellow is the symbol of sun and bright. Banana is yellow, sunflower is yellow. White is the symbol of innocence and honesty. Radish is white, mushroom is white. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.